There are basically three types of GUI: and Squeak, MVC, Morphic, which we always see, and Tweak. If you got a Cobalt image, it's probably easiest to experiment with Tweak. If you go to this site, we can take a look at the bank account tutorial and explore Tweak. Tweak doesn't have regular instance variables, it has fields, and the setters and getters are automatically generated. You can see if you hit this little menu, you can have a regular field or you can have an instance variable. Instance variables are in red, and fields are instance variables that have events connected to them. So when the value in the instance variable changes, an event fires to, say, update something in the view. And they have these method annotations, which you'll see, which have those angle brackets. This is part of the methodology used for the automatic updating by the event firing mechanism. So if we go to basic readout, deposit button, and withdrawal button, we'll see they're used in initialization to add little widgets into the names of those instance variables fields. So C button new, label, say Xmas, open, just to take a look at what that appears like, just to evaluate that. That's what that button's going to do. So we're putting these little widgets, label, button, into fields. Now ATM is a subclass of C player. C stands for anything that's tweak. So anything that starts with C is basically a tweak class. What you want to know here is that basically the widgets, the buttons and stuff are called costumes, and you're basically putting costumes together to create widgets inside players. So ATM, setup costume, we take the widgets that we put into the instance variables, we start to combine them, sort of extent, color, add balance readout, add deposit button, this kind of thing, to make a single widget, which we'll see in a sec. So there it is. And it doesn't do anything yet because it hasn't been hooked up to the bank account class yet. So we're going to put an instance of bank account into the account field in ATM. And there's the whole widget, and it works. And we've skipped over quite a lot from the bank account tutorial. I'm just kind of going over it quite quickly. Again, these method annotations with the angle brackets, they're added automatically. A lot of things are added automatically by Tweak, and by looking at the stuff that's added, you might think that there's a lot for you to do, but actually it's quite intuitive and easy to use.